Look, hating on me, don't stop. Only help a real cause. Hood legend on some pocket. Manifested till I'm living lost. High ballin' cause the sky fallin'. I'ma catch a little piece though. I ain't worried about your little. No, she easy as a free throw.
Hello, welcome back to the vlog. It's nice and sunny down here in the south coast. Just recently opened my new Restrap Handlebar Bag. It's not a standard Brompton one, but I've ended up choosing it because it looks good. I love it. I've been following this brand for so long now before I got into before I got my Brompton. So yeah, just a quick one. I kind of messed it up already. Well, as you can see, it's kind of burnt. It's because there's like a fray of thread. You could lock it in when you burn the thread with the wax. I kind of overdid it, but I guess it gives it my personal touch on it. So yeah, it's nice because it has this hook that you could put your lights on. The only issue, not really a main issue, but it's just because it's not like made for Brompton. It's just a bit off on this side because, you know, it's not made for like an M handlebar. It's holding it. I'm not gonna put anything heavy in it anyway. Has some good side pockets, like stretchy fabric. Yeah, nice zip, all waterproof. The only thing I notice is that when you're cycling, it kind of bounces up and down because obviously it's not made for it. I'm trying to get a gravel bike in the future anyway, so I can still use this because they're really good quality. It's just nice to have a bag that you could easily open when you're cycling. You need to reach like food and whatnot, because the standard Brompton bags or luggage are always on this block. Look, the Brompton. So yeah, there you have it. That's my new handlebar bag. As always, thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next video.
Just cause I'm young and I'm handsome, tell all these to have a seat. I know that they cannot stand them. Burn it and roll me another one. I do whatever I feel like. I remember when we dreamed about it. Woke up this morning, it's real life. Trade the whip, trade the currency. Moving like it's an emergency. We gotta check out, it's close to 11, so baby ride it with some urgency. I'm just here for the fun.